Welcome back. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to input consumption profiles in Arca 360 using your monthly electricity bill. This is a straightforward method to get started. Let's dive in. To input your consumption profile using your monthly electricity bill, follow these steps. 1. Enter your average monthly electricity unit consumption. 2. Input your consumption for each month. First, locate your average monthly electricity consumption on your bill. Enter this value into Arca 360. This will provide a baseline for your energy usage. Next, input your electricity consumption for each month. This helps Arca 360 create a more accurate profile of your energy usage patterns throughout the year. By inputting your monthly electricity bill data, you can create a custom profile that accurately reflects your energy usage. This is essential for analyzing and optimizing your energy consumption. In our next video, we'll cover current and future profiles. Thanks for watching.